Animals need food to live and grow. This process is called nutrition. Food provides them energy to carry out all their body functions. It keeps them healthy. You already know that plants make food for all living organisms. Animals depend on plants for their food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat plants while some eat the flesh of other animals. Cows, buffaloes, goats, deer, rabbits, zebras, elephants and giraffes are some animals that eat grass, leaves and other parts of plants. They are known as herbivorous animals. Some animals such as lions, tigers, leopards, wolves and cheetah eat the flesh of other animals. They are known as carnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Bear, crows and human beings are omnivores. Animals have different ways of eating. Depending on their eating habits, they have different kinds of teeth and other body parts that help them eat food. Herbivores have strong, broad and sharp front teeth to bite off grass, leaves and other tough plant materials. They have strong and broad back teeth for chewing the food. Herbivores sometimes have to rechew their food in order to break it down into smaller parts that their body can absorb and digest well. So, at first they chew the food once and swallow it. This food is now called cud. Later, the cud is brought back to mouth and chewed again. This is known as chewing the cud or rumination. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, giraffes and camels chew the cud. Rats, squirrels and rabbits have sharp front teeth. They bite and repeatedly chew nuts, fruits and seeds with the help of these teeth. This way of eating food is known as gnawing. Some herbivores eat a variety of plant matter. For example, elephants eat bark, leaves, small branches, roots, grasses and fruits. Black rhinoceroses eat a variety of fruits, branches and leaves. Other herbivores eat only one part of a plant. Koalas eat of the leaves of eucalyptus trees while pandas feed on bamboo. Termites are insects that feed mostly on wood. Aphids drink sap, a sticky fluid that carries nutrients through the plant. Caterpillars eat leaves. Honeybees feed on nectar and lions, tigers and wolves have strong jaw and long pointed front teeth to tear the flesh of the prey. They have strong and flat back teeth to grind and chew meat and bone. They also use their sharp claws to hunt. Birds such as hawks and owls also hunt with their claws, called talons. Some carnivorous birds have curved beaks that they use to tear apart their prey. They are called raptors. For example, eagles, hawks and kites. Some carnivores attack their prey with a bite or a sting that injects toxic venom into the victim. The venom either paralyzes or kills the prey. Snakes, such as king cobras, have fangs that act like needles to inject venom. Jellyfish have stingers on their tentacles, which paralyze fish swimming nearby. Omnivores have adapted many characteristics of both carnivores and herbivores. For example, like many carnivores, raccoons have sharp front teeth that help them rip apart mice and other small prey. Similar to many herbivores, raccoons also have large molars that help them chew up plant parts. Like rats and squirrels eat seeds, fruits and other plant materials which they break open with their sharp teeth. Animals like dogs and cats lick milk and water with the help of their tongues. This is known as lapping. The butterfly has a long hollow tube called proboscis to suck nectar from flowers. Honeybee sucks nectar from flowers with the help of its long coiled tube. Leech and mosquito suck the blood of other animals. Animals such as snakes and frogs do not have chewing teeth, so they swallow their food whole. Snakes have special jaws which help their mouth to open wider so that they can swallow their prey whole. To catch an insect, a frog throws its sticky tongue out of its mouth and wraps it around its prey. The frog's tongue then snaps back and gulps the food down its throat. Organism needs energy to live. For example, plants get energy from the sun. Some animals eat plants and some animals eat other animals. A food chain is a sequence of who eats whom to obtain nutrition. A food chain starts with the primary energy source, the sun. The next link in the chain is a green plant that can make its own food through the process of photosynthesis. These are called autotrophs or primary producers. Example, grass. Next in the chain are organisms that eat the autotrophs. These are called herbivores or primary consumers. Example, a rabbit that eats grass. The next link in the chain is an animal that eats herbivores. They are called the secondary consumers. Example, a snake that eats rabbit. The arrows in a food chain show the direction of flow of energy.